Introducing Surfari Pals, a fun new way for children ages 5 to 10 to learn important character-building skills that will last a lifetime. Surfari Pals will teach your children important life lessons, like good manners, respect, basic principles, values, and life skills to make them better citizens of the world.
It really was easy to follow. My kids could understand what was going on, and together we could partner and really drive home the lessons that KIPP Surfari was really trying to teach us.
Their first surf kit arrives complete with a backpack, bracelet, a full-size goal-setting surfboard poster, cookie cutter and recipe, lesson book, a personalized certificate of awesomeness and completion sticker, and a welcome letter from KIPP Surfari. Then, each month a new lesson arrives in the mailbox, along with more fun activities, a certificate, and another sticker for their surfboard.
It's nice having KIPP Surfari as a partner in parenting, and trying to get our children to understand the true values that we were instilled in us when we were a kid. We love Surfari Pals.
Surfari Pals is the perfect gift that keeps on giving. A super fun activity for kids, an ideal teaching tool for parents, and even a great resource for character development for homeschooling. Surfari Pals, a brand new way to learn good old-fashioned values. Order your subscription today.
1, 2, 3, Surfari Pals!